Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi, where cake dreams come to life as we welcome a sparkle new year. Let's explore 20 dazzling New Year party cake designs, perfect for celebrating 2025 in style. Let's count down to creativity. The first one is black and gold midnight cake. Elegant black frosting with gold flakes and a clock striking midnight. The next is 2025 glitter topper cake. Simple white buttercream topper with a bold glitter 2025 or coming 2026. The next is champagne bottle cake. Shaped like a champagne bottle with sugar bubbles floating out. Looks stunning and out of style. The next is firework drip cake, dark chocolate drip with Starbucks sparkles and edible firework. The next is silver and blue celebration cake, cool tones with metallic pearl and shiny 2025 number. The next is disco ball tied cake, covered in edible mirror pieces, perfect for a dance party theme. The next is gold foil sheet cake, flat rectangle cake with gold foil, sparkle and a Happy New Year text. The next is clock countdown cake, top view with cake with clock hand points to midnight and number markers. The next is champagne glass mini cake, mini round cake topped with tiny edible champagne glasses. The next is party confetti cake, rainbow sprinkles inside and out, just like a celebration in cake form. The next is sparkler topped cake, classic cake with real sparklers lit up for drama. Always be careful. The next is black velvet cake with golden drip, luxe texture and contrast pure midnight glam. The next is galaxy cake with stars, swirl navy and purple frosting, stars scattered across the top. The next is tide countdown cake, three tides showing 2, 3, 1 on each one on each level. Final tide, a happy 2025. The next is edible clock face cookies on cake. Clock cookies surrounding the top edge, creative and interactive. The next is firecracker explosion cake. Top rusting with fondant firecrackers and candy confetti. The next is rose gold luxe cake. Trendy rose gold color with pearls and shine. Very 2025. The next is photo print cake with memories of the year. Add photo printed memories of 2024 and 2025, personal and touching for coming year of 2026. If you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and bake that cake at your home. The next is countdown tower cake, stack of cupcakes named 10 to 1, leading to final character cake. The next is metallic star cake, covered with silver and gold stars, like a cake made of started dust. Look amazing and stunning. So, which New Year cake was your favorite and you want to try for 2026 of the coming year? The countdown cake, the bisco cake, or the classic gold rib cake? Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory only on. Share this video with your party planner friend. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video where every cake is a celebration. So, till that, press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Only on Cakes Factory. See you in the next sweet video. Happy New Year coming year. Always make your present more beautiful as it is and as you are. Goodbye.